Hey friends, welcome back. Today, I want to share a story that completely changed one man's way of thinking. It's about an old man, but the lesson is important for people of all ages. His name was Michael, and he was 78 years old. When he was young, his life had no direction. He'd sleep in late, hang out with friends for hours, and spend the whole day just having fun. He thought life was long, and there was no need to work hard yet. Studying bored him, and he never tried to learn new things. The future felt far away and not something to worry about. Days passed by, and his habits stayed the same. He never realized time was slowly slipping through his fingers. One day, his elderly uncle came to visit. Calm and quiet, but with a deep look in his eyes, he sat with Michael for a while without saying a word. Then softly, he said, "Don't let your days just pass you by." That was it. No long lectures, no heavy advice, just that small sentence. But it stuck with Michael. For days afterward, he kept thinking about those words. At first, he ignored them, thinking he still had plenty of time. But slowly, he realized his life was drifting with no purpose. One night, he asked himself, "If I keep going like this, will I ever be proud of who I am?" That question shook him deeply. That very day, he decided not to take his time for granted anymore. He didn't make huge changes all at once. Instead, he started small. He began waking up a little earlier each morning. He read a few pages every day. He wrote down his thoughts in a journal. He started learning new things and sought advice from wise people. The beginning wasn't easy. Many times he felt like giving up, but every time he remembered his uncle's words, "Don't let your days just pass you by." Slowly, his habits shifted, and eventually, his whole life changed. Now he is old but happy because he understands the value of time. He keeps learning, helps others, and tries to make each day better. And it all started with one simple phrase. At first, Michael didn't know how to bring change, so he made a simple rule for himself. He wrote down 3 things on a piece of paper. Wake up early, read something new daily, and write one new thought every day. He stuck that paper on his wall. Every morning, he'd look at it, and those small habits gradually became the start of his new life. Getting into the habit of waking up early wasn't easy for me either. At first, it felt like my body just wanted to give up. Sleep kept pulling me back to bed. I didn't want to leave the warmth of my blanket. But I didn't stop myself. I got up, went outside, and stood in the fresh air for a while. Gradually, I realized mornings felt different. Everything was peaceful, and my mind felt lighter. Those quiet moments began filling me with new energy. Reading was new to me too. I used to run away from books, thinking they were boring, but this time I didn't pressure myself. I started with small, simple things. I read a little every day. After a while, I found that learning new things felt good. I read stories of people who had struggled and succeeded. Their lives inspired me. I thought, if they can change, so can I. Writing was the hardest. Whenever I sat down with paper, I didn't know what to write. Words felt too simple, and often the page stayed blank. Still, I didn't stop. Sometimes I wrote about my fears, sometimes my dreams, and sometimes just a couple of lines about my day. Slowly, I realized writing helped me understand myself better. I started to see what was going on inside and what I really wanted from life. After some time, I noticed changes in myself. My life was still simple, but it had direction. I didn't feel like I was living without purpose. Every day I was learning something new and becoming better. Now I had a reason to keep moving forward. It all started with one small phrase: don't waste your time. Later, I changed another habit. I began speaking less and listening more. I used to want to say my part everywhere, but now I listened carefully, especially to people who had worked hard to achieve something. I tried to understand their experiences and learn from them. I saw that successful people valued their time a lot. They spent every hour doing something worthwhile. That day, I decided I wouldn't waste my time on useless things either. I slowly dropped habits that weren't helping me grow. I cut down on endless screen time. I distanced myself from people who just talked but never wanted to change. I wanted to make my life different. I wanted to become a better version of myself. Then I made a simple rule for myself. I won't spend time on anything that doesn't help me move forward. That one rule changed how I thought. I started focusing better. My studies improved. Writing became easier. My thoughts became clearer. I understood myself more than ever. I knew where I wanted to go. I was no longer the guy lost in laziness every day. I began to feel confident. Time became precious. Where hours used to slip away, now I wanted to spend each day doing something good. And that feeling gave me true happiness. A few months later, my uncle came to visit again. This time, when he saw me, there was a slight smile on his face. He didn't say much, but I could see in his eyes he noticed the change in me. I showed him my new habits, the diary where I wrote my thoughts and lessons every day. He looked carefully and quietly said, "Now you're moving in the right direction." Those words meant a lot to me. I felt my efforts really mattered. That day, for the first time, I trusted myself. Today, I want to say the same to you. You don't have to start big. You don't have to run the fastest. Just take the first step. Start small, but don't stop. Learn from good people. Spend your time on things that make you better. Slowly, those small habits will change your life. Yes, the path won't always be easy. Some days, you won't feel like doing anything. Your body will feel tired. Studying will feel like a burden. You'll feel like giving up. But in those moments, I tell myself just one thing: don't stop. Whenever I feel weak, I remember my uncle's voice. His words lift me up again. Those same words keep me from quitting. One day, I decided to write down my dreams. I made a list of 5 simple goals: learn something new, express myself better, help someone, be satisfied with my work, and improve myself every day. I read that list daily. It reminded me why I wanted to change. It gave me direction. Gradually, I realized changing myself wasn't enough. I started helping others too. Many people seemed like the old me, without goals, without purpose. I shared my story with them, told them how small habits could transform a life. Some took it seriously, some laughed. But I didn't stop talking because I knew sometimes one small lesson can change a person's outlook. Over time, my confidence grew. I started learning new things, joined a course, spent time with people who also wanted to improve themselves. Those people inspired me a lot. We learned together, shared ideas, and encouraged each other. Being around them made me realize the right environment changes a person a lot. I no longer felt lonely. I felt I was steering my life in the right direction. Looking back now, I'm grateful from the bottom of my heart. To my uncle, to his lesson, and to that day that changed my thinking. Life always has challenges, but if someone understands the value of time, their life starts getting better. They grow stronger inside, become wiser, and make each day more meaningful. I want you to always remember one thing. You don't have to be perfect to change your life. The most important thing is to keep trying. Many people wait for the right moment, but the truth is, the right moment never just shows up. The time you have now is the most valuable. Even if you don't feel ready, start anyway. One small step can change your whole direction. When I first started changing, I didn't have any special skills. I wasn't smarter than others. But I had one thing: my time. And slowly, I understood that time is the most precious thing in the world. Money can be earned again. Lost things can come back. But time gone by never returns. That's why I decided to value every single day. I began finding joy in small things. I didn't need big achievements to be happy. Learning something good, understanding something new, helping someone, these things gave me real satisfaction. I realized true happiness isn't about showing off, but about growing. When you make yourself a little better each day, your confidence grows too. Some people made fun of me. They thought I was wasting my effort. But I didn't listen. I knew the path I was on and why I was on it. I didn't want to be like the crowd. I wanted to make my life better. Now I want to ask you, how are you spending your days? Are you moving towards your dreams, or just letting time slip away? That question is important because your answer will shape your tomorrow. If you feel you're off track, don't worry. You can start changing right now. If you're listening to this, it means you want to change. And that's the first victory. Many never even try. They keep making excuses and waste years. But those who try to learn and move forward really change. You don't need big goals at first. Just pick one small, positive habit. Wake up a little earlier. Read something new. Write down your thoughts. Help someone. Then do the same thing again tomorrow. Slowly, those small habits will become your identity. Yes, there will be days when you feel tired. You'll feel progress is slow. But don't give up then. It's okay to rest a bit. But don't stop. Remember how far you've come. Think about where you started and where you are now. Then get ready to move forward again. Small efforts over time lead to big changes. One day, you'll look back proud of yourself. I still remember my uncle's words. His voice was simple, but his words were deep. His lesson became the turning point in my life. Now I hope that lesson helps you too. Maybe what you're hearing today will lead you to a new beginning. So in the end, I just want to say, respect your time. Don't let it go to waste. Use every day to learn, improve, and become better. One day, when you look back, you'll be happy you started at the right time. And maybe you'll be the reason someone else changes their life too.